Carey, so what is this?
Freaky house?
Blair Witch Project. Odd.
Look at all those pictures right there. Excuse me, can I get out? Help me out.
It's very hot up there. Let Dad see everything first.
Can I get in the backyard? You're just not
In there. Well, honey, set everything all right here where people walked in.
There's like little cages.
Yeah, you can see them better.
Did you see the TVs in the middle? Gone. Walker, do you see the TVs and the radios and the old TVs in the middle? Gone.
This is just an art. This is like someone who's like all artsy.
Oh, really? With all those TVs like that, you think so? Look at the hoses over the tree right there. See those hoses? There, look at the, oh my gosh, someone's looking through that window up there. Do you see it?
Where? Are they?
Go zoom in on that window.
Where? You don't see a window.
I see a window right through the trees right there.
I'm scared. Are you kidding?
Do you see the vacuum hoses hanging over the tree? Is that all supposed to be artsy too? All those,
Yeah.
you think?
This isn't artsy. This is Salem witchcraft.
Yeah, look at all the ETs over there and all the toys. Look at all the skis. You see the skis?
Okay, I'll be...
Now come over to the other side and check out all the cages inside the cages, the fake ones.
Yeah, this.
There's cages.
Where?
Keep going. Look over the fence.
Yeah, see the big peace sign and stuff?
Where's Stacy? Stacy?
Carey.
Stacy.
Carey, where's Stacy?
I don't know.
Hey, where's Stacy?
I don't know.
Maybe she's inside.
Do you
Let's
know
go
where?
walk
Do you
around
really
in
know where she went?
I have no idea.
There's a big house with a bunch of dolls thrown in it. Come back.
I'm not going back
No,
there.
there's over there. It's like a parking lot. You're allowed to go over there. It's like a parking lot, and right here is it's a lot. You really scared us. You're like on.
Shh, there's people here. Holy shit. Look at how the books are all lined up.
Are those Bibles? And there's a bunch of iron.
Look at that old typewriter.
I'm telling you, this place is.
Yeah, but look at all the old records.
Do you really think this is artsy? This is no.
Look at all the
artsy
old
type.
the baseball bats.
Where? Where are the baseball? Oh.
Right there. Look at all the old skateboards. Look at all the baseball bats. DeeAnn, check out all the old records.
There's a whole bunch more right there. Where are the records?
Typewriter.
Look at the skateboard.
Where are the records?
Right here. Over there and right here.
Whoa, check out the irons hanging.
Where? Is there, what are they?
Hey, look inside the dollhouse.
No, did you?
Dolls.
What's
There's
in
a
there?
bunch of dolls in there.
Look inside the windows.
Look at the skeleton right there
Where?
in the TVs.
There's a skeleton head in those TVs.
freaking iron hanging from the tree. Where are the dolls on sticks?
They're irons hanging.
There's more irons over there. See him hanging in front of Santa.
This is outside all these records.
And did you see
This is a crazy person.
over there, all the cages, there's like little, like My Little Ponies, and they're like horses, and there's like weird things in the cages over on the other side.
Look at that creature wearing a football helmet.
Look, it's
There's like weird things.
Oh my god, it's like freaking full of dolls.
I'm gonna go. Let's go on the porch.
I'm not going up there.
Let's go on the porch. Stacy, come here. Let's go on the porch.
This is somebody who's like, oh my god, look at that little freaking
Bathtub thing.
bathtub with a doll in it.
Dude, look at what's in here. There's like 50 cats.
Oh my gosh, you're on there too. These stuff like this is an artsy.
Property boundary, national forest.
Do you still think this is an artsy person? I think it's a crazy.
What the heck is with that doll up there?
All the pins in it.